Alright, so before I rebuild to make my 21 brick rocket stove, I want to try and attempt to add this green mesh, which I saw from a YouTube video, Survival Common Sense guy. So, because I have been noticing like a little airflow problem, I tried adding this seam here, which wasn't really very helpful. I mean, I don't know. This seems like a much better idea. He basically said just use like wire mesh or wire cloth, whatever, to make more, to have a place to put the wood so that there's more airflow. So the wood is actually going to be resting on that for this next stove. So this is bringing up here. Let's see how this does. Alright, so while my I'm going to actually see if I can't get this one to boil. I have some time here. I got that going. It's a small flame right now going on in there, but not so much smoke. I mean, it's hot enough. I'm actually going to get a reading on it right now, but I mean, already, you know, I put in a cold pot of water. I started over, so I got the water to about, I guess max is 125, but anywhere between 110 and 125. So water's heating up. I guess it's probably better to use a bigger pot, but I'm using the smaller one for demonstration purposes. But some of the soot tends to come up and land on the water, which you probably don't want to do, especially if you're going to be drinking out of it. But really a couple of small flakes, so nothing too big, but just something to keep in mind. But really a very minimum amount of material, which I can't get over that. But I'm going to see if I can't use that. Say boil that water. I have that many more sticks left, so my goal is hopefully to boil the remaining water with just that as my fuel source. Alright, so I just I did a kind of do or die and kind of just tossed as much of these sticks as I could kind of down the chimney. Oops, here we go. But as you can see, I'm starting to get that rolling boil I was looking for. So so I was able to cook an egg, and we'll cook an egg with a 16 brick rocket stove, and really boil some water with I think all said it's 24, maybe 23 if you don't count that guy down there. But can be done, and it is again just simply a pile of sticks, which may not be as low a carbon footprint, but it's certainly lower than creating a big fire. And that's, I mean, the thing is cranking, so there we go. They say a watch pot never boils, but this video might disprove that. But yeah, so that is my my attempt at rocket stove building. Hope you've enjoyed it. I might try and I don't know, throw some ramen noodles in there or something, but alright.